This type of flooring is the new trend in architecture, and everyone wants to install it in the outdoor areas of their home. But what kind of flooring is this? Where do you buy it? How do you apply it? How do you mix these little stones? What colors can we choose from to use? Can it be used outdoors? If so, where? By a pool in the backyard or in the garden? Stay with me in this video because I'm getting a lot of questions about this type of flooring, which many people call Fugê flooring and others call it draining flooring. I'm going to explain everything to you in this video. All right? Stay with me now because this is going to be some really cool content and a great tip for you who want to install flooring in your outdoor area, a unique type of flooring, and at the same time decorate your floor, that outdoor area of your house. Come with me. Hey everyone, how are you doing? All good? I'm Edipo, an architect, and like I told you, I'm going to explain everything clearly in this video for you about this type of permeable flooring. Well, starting off by telling you what kind of flooring this is, what kind of material it is. It's a type of permeable flooring, okay? It's similar to Fugê flooring. Edipo, is there any difference between permeable flooring and Fugê flooring? Basically, it's the same thing, just to make it easier for you to understand. Here in Brazil, it's basically the same, Fugê flooring and permeable flooring in my opinion. Some people call it Fugê flooring. It has its own concept. Others say that permeable flooring is different. In my opinion, it's the same thing, okay? Colors. There are several colors. Light gray, dark gray, black, yellow, orange, purple. You can choose any color you want. Why? Because it's a stone. They're natural stones that you can find in different colors, okay? That you can suddenly put. My house's outdoor area is painted light gray. I want the floor to be medium or dark gray. You can find it. You have the possibility to make this floor in the outdoor area of your house. But there's a secret when preparing this floor before you start applying it to the outdoor area of your house. This type of floor is nothing more than natural stones, but it needs an adhesive to make this mixture. You need to mix this product right between the stones and the adhesive so you can apply it. And what is the recommended product for you to make this mixture? Here at ArcSite, here on the channel, I've already shown it, including on our other social media as well, which is Holdstone Pro, which is a type of resin that works as glue and is very strong, okay? You can mix it using a concrete mixer or even a traditional mixer. And then after you make your mixture, you spread the product on the surface, on your floor. And simply, with a trowel and an aluminum ruler, you spread the product, leveling and compacting those natural stones, that floor, right there on your surface. So the secret you need to understand to really get the concept of this floor so you can apply it in your houses, they are natural stones. You need an adhesive. It's not ready to use straight from the bucket. You need to make this mixture using Holdstone Pro and a concrete mixer or a mixer, and then you go and apply it to the surface. Like I told you, you don't need much to apply this flooring in your house. Just a trowel or a mixer in case you don't have a concrete mixer. If you have a lot of square meters to cover in your house, I would recommend a concrete mixer. Don't have a concrete mixer? Rent one. I think it will turn out much better. If you just have a small job and a mixer drill or hammer drill, just attach the adapter and mix, right? Mix the product really well and then go apply it. Holdstone Pro on its own packaging tells you the amount in milliliters, right? The amount of liters you need to use for the weight of the stone. 10 kilos of stone. How many milliliters of Holdstone Pro do I need to use? I have 20 square meters here. About how much will I use? Everything will be on the packaging telling you. Now, talking about the concept and the decoration of this floor, it's an extraordinary floor, okay? The only tip I have for you in this video, before applying this type of draining floor, Fugê floor, whatever you want to call it, in your house, around the pool, in your garden, in the garage, can you drive a car over it? Yes, you can. Apply it in the backyard, hallway, any staircase or outdoor area of your house. Here's one tip so you won't have any issues. Are you using the Fugê tile, the draining tile, for decoration? You will. Will it look nice? Yes, it will. But first, you need to prepare the surface. What does it mean to prepare the surface? If your floor is a cemented one, a subfloor, you first need to apply a waterproofing agent there and so on to get your base ready to receive it. As I said, it's a floor that drains water. Liquid seeps in, passes through and flows away. It won't absorb or block the passage of that water. It will drain, it will go away. The water will pass through there and go away. It's not fully sealed, so it will absorb some water, but not entirely. The water will continue flowing. So the interesting thing is for you to make a subfloor. If you don't have a subfloor and the floor is already done, prepare it and waterproof that subfloor. So then you can apply the draining floor, the Fugê floor. All right, it's beautiful, looks amazing, and people are enjoying it. I posted some content on our Instagram, and our followers asked a lot of questions. There were videos that went viral, reaching millions of views, and I decided to bring it here to the channel for you as well, explaining a bit about the concept of the product, how it's applied, and where to find it. Of course, I would bring you all the complete information. Edipo, okay, I got it, everything's clear. Now, where do I buy it? Not just any place sells it. So that's the tip of the video. Want to decorate your house? Want to make your floor look awesome, cool? Install a draining and Fugê floor in various colors to match your home's paint. And you'll have a really good, very resistant floor because it's stone, right? Very modern and easy to apply. All right? And if you comment down here, look, if you tell me down here, say this, Edipo, I want you to bring a step-by-step teaching us how to do the installation. I'll bring you a step-by-step guide. Either I do it myself or with my team step-by-step. Comment, Edipo, I would like you to, if interested, teach us here. But I need you to comment. I need you to take this video here, share it with your friends, with people you know, like it, okay? Like this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe as well, okay? Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss these tips that I always bring to you here, okay? A big hug, God bless you, and see you in the next video.